Okay, let's start. Good morning, everybody. Today is the 13th of February 2018, and I welcome you all to our Traders Espresso, JFDs Traders Espresso, with me, Darius Michauskas. So we'll have a quick overlook at a few instruments today and see what's happening. But first, of course, let's have a quick look at the risk disclaimer. So just to let you know that JFD brokers do not offer any advice, and everything was expressed in this video is purely just analysis, and we do not give recommendations on it to trade anything. So also, before we actually continue, just to show you quickly our website here and this section of JFD research, where you can actually go and click on one of these analysis here that we do on a daily basis. Actually, you can see that we can provide it in different languages as well. So we do English, German, Italian, and Czech, and as well French. How could I forget French? So yeah, you can have a more detailed read here on just to see what's happening if you're interested more in reading, let's say. So okay, yes, so let's get back into the markets now. So I'll jump into the pound dollar. Of course, we all know that we've got the UK CPI data coming in today. The previous one was at 3%. Now analysts are expecting it to go down a little bit to 2.9, not 2.9. Not a huge slide, of course, but still, expectation is more to the downside. Now, with the pound, I'm looking here at a 4-hour chart, and what's interesting to say that it's really balancing on an interesting level, and yeah, it's balancing at around 200-day EMA that acts as a good support level. And also, we need to consider the fact that the price is below this downward trend line running from the 2nd of February already. If both indicators prove to be enough to hold the price, we could expect a move back to Friday's low at around 137,650, which is this area here. And if that doesn't hold, we definitely could expect some lowers more to the downside. The next level, next big level to watch is, of course, the round 136 level, which acted as a good resistance in 2017 and in January 2018. So overall, we're still negative on the pair, although, of course, yeah, we're monitoring it carefully. So as for the upside, we can see that there's a possibility for the pair to go up and test this short-term trend line here at this level. That is, of course, if we get a nice move above the 138,700 level, which was this level around here. And then, if it's like I said, if it's going to move higher, then we could have a test of this trend line. Unless we have a really strong break of this trend line and we will have a strong move to the upside, the next level we're watching which is still on the table, is the 140 level. So that would be, like I said, yeah, like we mentioned previously, that's like a psychological level for this pair. So yeah, I think today is going to be the day when we're going to have either a pop or like a clear direction to the downside. So yeah. Okay, so another interesting pair to have a look at would be the Aussie dollar. Here we've got the daily chart, and we can see that on the daily chart it met its resistance at 50 EMA, which is around 0.78700. Now it's acting as a strong resistance at the moment, of course. Certainly we'll have to see how this day will close in order to kind of make up our minds. But if we look at the 4-hour chart, the same 50 EMA has held the pair here, and now it seems that it's trying to form a bearish candle, which could actually force it to go a little bit lower. Now, again, we still have to wait for some confirmation for that. It could, like I said, yeah, it could go a little bit lower because we've got this little trend line here. It could go down to around 78,400, and then yeah, we would have to keep a close eye on it at this level here. Now, another one to have a look at would be the Euro Pound. You can see that the Euro Pound, it was forming this wedge formation, kind of channel wedge formation, and now it's actually getting closer to its upper side. So this level here, where I've highlighted with this bubble, that would be an interesting point to watch. If we get a break above this, we could see some higher levels getting hit. The move towards the 89 and then 89,500. Yep, these levels could be hit. But that's, as said, if only this breaks this area here and closes above, of course. So yes, just a quick look at the USDJPY. What's happening right now. Yesterday we mentioned that we were expecting this move towards the 108 level, and now it's actually hitting that. And this is a huge level for USDJPY. As we can see that this trend line here that started from September 2012, it's now getting tested. So quite interesting to see. It will be quite interesting to see where it's gonna close today. If it's gonna close below it, we can see some more negativity coming into this pair. Unless, of course, the trend line is gonna hold, then we would have to rethink everything again. But at the moment, it doesn't look healthy. And let's have a quick look at an index. Let's see. Let's have a quick look at the FTSE. Now, the FTSE, yesterday we mentioned the area of 7,200, which could be a good level of resistance. So the reason why we had the resistance was here. Well, actually, at this point here in September last year, it acted as a good level of support. Now this level is becoming as a resistance. The question is, of course, we still need to wait and see how this day will close, how the UK session will close. But at the moment, the indication is more to the downside. Even looking at the 4-hour chart, we can see that the candle now is turning really strong, turning bearish, let's say. If this is going to continue, we could see it test back to a test of these levels at around 7,100. So if we get and test this little trend line here, and if we start seeing a break below that, then we could definitely go to the psychological level of 7,000. So yeah, so that's a quick overview of the markets for today, a few markets for today. I hope you will have a great day. I hope it's going to be a profitable day for you guys. Yeah, and keep an eye on the price action. Thank you very much.